Coffee with a friend is like capturing a cup of happiness. Hot or cold, a coffee debate. Let's check out which turns out amazing. Hi folks, we are back again with the two different coffee recipes made with same hand whipped coffee. Ingredients: instant coffee powder 2 tablespoons, sugar 2 tablespoons and water 2 tablespoons. For preparation, add the coffee powder, sugar and water to a mug. We are here going to show you how to make whipped coffee cream without espresso machine or a blender. Use a spoon and start mixing. It will turn frothy after a few minutes of stirring. On continuous stirring, the mixture turns creamy. You have to stir it for 10 minutes to get a peak-like consistency. Stop when the coffee cream doesn't fall off from the spoon. Now the coffee cream is ready. Reserve a little coffee mixture for decoration. Add a pinch of coffee powder, add the whipped cream and little water and mix it well. Keep it aside for decorating the coffees. Let's see how to make the cappuccino first. Add 2 to 3 spoons of mixture as per your taste. And then add hot milk to it. Mix it until the coffee dissolves. Decorate it with the reserved coffee for decoration. Add few drops on the top and with a stick draw a line to make it more beautiful. Now for the famous Dalgona, add cold milk to a cup. Then add 3 to 4 spoons of coffee mixture. Decorate it with the reserved coffee and sprinkle cocoa or coffee powder to make it look more fantastic. Here you go. Try both the coffees and let us know which one you like the more. Meet you all soon with another interesting recipe.